Looking for a face mask that truly purifies and refreshes your skin? You're in the right place. In today's video, I'm sharing the recipe for this powerful charcoal face mask that will take your skincare to the next level. This isn't just any mask, it's packed with ingredients that target impurities, balance oil, and leave your skin feeling incredibly fresh and smooth. So stick around until the end to learn all the secrets to creating this incredible mask. Hello, it's Self-Care Differently here, and I make videos where I share my passion for homemade skincare and natural recipes to help you take care of your skin and yourself. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel. We're starting with the oil phase. First, I'm adding caprylic acid triglyceride, a lightweight emollient. It's derived from coconut and works wonders for hydration, locking moisture into the skin without making it feel heavy. Next up, grapeseed oil. This oil is incredibly nourishing. It's light, non-greasy, and packed with antioxidants and essential fatty acids. It's especially great for combination or oily skin since it absorbs easily and doesn't clog pores. Plus, it brings amazing skin benefits while keeping the formula light and refreshing. And of course, you can swap out grapeseed oil for another carrier oil that works best for your skin. Now we add cola box. This acts as an emulsifier, helping our oil and water phases mix seamlessly into a creamy, stable consistency. Finally, we have cetyl alcohol. Don't let the word alcohol fool you. This one is super hydrating and adds thickness and silkiness to the mask, making it feel luxurious on your skin. Once everything's in, give it a little mix and set aside. And now we're ready to move on to the water phase. I start by mixing the guar with glycerin. Glycerin is a natural humectant, which means it draws moisture into the skin, keeping it hydrated for longer. By mixing it with the guar first, it helps the gum dissolve smoothly, avoiding any clumps when we add it to the water. Once the guar and glycerin blend is ready, I add it to the still water and stir until it's fully combined. Next, I weigh the beaker holding the water phase and write down the weight. This is a key step because when we heat the water phase, some water might evaporate, and by recording the weight now, we can replace any lost water later to maintain the right consistency. To help all our ingredients blend seamlessly, we're going to heat both the oil and the water phase in a double boiler. Once both phases are heated, I remove them from the heat. And before combining, I check the weight of the water phase again, and if there is any difference from before heating, I replace the evaporated water to bring it back to the original weight. These steps ensures the final mask has the perfect consistency. Now we're ready to combine. Pour the water phase into the oil phase, then blend with an immersion blender. This creates a stable emulsion that gives the mask its smooth, creamy consistency. After blending, we let the mixture cool to room temperature before moving on to the cool down phase. With our base cooled, it's time to add the final ingredients in the cool down phase. These are the active ingredients that make the mask truly effective. Starting with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from environmental stressors like pollution while helping to prevent signs of aging. Next, we add cedarwood essential oil. This oil not only gives the mask a calming, earthy scent, but it also has balancing properties that makes it great for oily or blemish-prone skin. The cedar, our natural preservative, goes in next to ensure the mask stays fresh and safe to use over time. Then comes panthenol, or vitamin P5. This ingredient is soothing and hydrating, perfect for calming irritation and giving the skin a smooth, supple feel. Next, I'm adding natural enzymes which provides a gentle exfoliation, helping to renew and brighten the complexion by removing dead skin cells without any harsh scrubbing. And now for the third ingredient, charcoal. Active charcoal is renowned for its deep cleansing abilities, drawing out dirt, oil, and other impurities from the skin. And finally, we add kaolin clay. This gentle clay complements the charcoal by absorbing excess oil while keeping the skin smooth and fresh. Once all the ingredients are added, I blend everything together one last time with the mirror blender to ensure it's well combined. Then I use a spatula to check the texture and make sure it's perfect. Before we're done, I check the pH of the mask to make sure it's effective and gentle on the skin. The ideal pH for this mask is between 4.5 and 5.5, which matches the skin's natural pH. My initial reading was around 6.5, so I added a few drops of lactic acid to bring it down to 5.5. Finally, I let the mask set overnight. This allows the ingredient to fully blend and settle into a cohesive, luxurious formula. Look at that smooth, creamy texture. It's easy to apply, deeply purifying, and leaves your skin feeling soft, refreshed, and revitalized. Once it's set, the mask is ready for packaging. I carefully pour it into 100 ml jar, and it's all set for your next skincare routine. To use, simply apply an even layer to clean skin, let it set for 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse off with warm water. You'll reveal a clean, radiant glow every time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more homemade skincare recipes. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. So if you try this charcoal mask, let me know how it worked for you and what you think. See you in the next video. Bye.